Yeah, man.
Homemade luge. There's that root beer right there, Big Bill. Oh, you blow! You blow! Drew, you're done. You keep screwing it up. Hey, let me go down. Yeah, Drew, you're done for the day, alright, big fella?
Yeah, that was my fault.
Model!
Stop.
Breaking my wall!
Breaking my wall!
Come on, beast mode! Beast mode!
Beast mode! Come on, give me a belly flop!
Beast mode!
Give me a belly flop!
Yeah!
Beast mode, baby!
Beast mode!
Fire the tire!
Beast mode! Beast mode! Honeys! Beast mode! Come up there, boy!
I didn't even mean to do that.
Come up there!
Hold the camera. I'm doing the all camera.
Beast mode! That's what I did.
Me. Hold that for Matt. Hold it for.
Are you going on your stomach? You blow. No, my tush. So just hold this.
That's good.
Like this.
Ow, ow, thorn bush. Ow, ow.
Alright.
Ready? You can pushy drag.
1, 2, 3.
Drag!
No. I'm going down with the camera.
No.
GoPro.
Yes, with the camera.
No, you don't do that with your phone. That's the last one.
Should have brought my GoPro.
So?
Should have brought my GoPro, we Jack.
You have one?
Do what?
GoPro. You know what that is?
Yeah.
Come on, come on!
You got nothing to lose, lady.
Yeah! Beast mode!
Dad, I'll break my face. Yeah, you got nothing to lose, lady. Don't worry.
Hey,
I just burnt her, Dad. It was just a roast.
Roast beef! That's what it was.
That roast beef sandwich last night was so good.
Beast mode.
Beast mode, baby. Beast mode.
They have a glove so it's
I am not a horse.
come on, go.
I'm not going anywhere.
That sucked. Take three, take three.
Jared, move, please. I gotta get right there.
So ugly.
He's crawling, he didn't get that far. Oh, Drew, you suck so bad. He's just not good at it. I haven't gone down yet.
How are you not good at sledding?
You guys gotta hold it for him.
He's not asking for it, he's just going down.
You suck.
Let me go down, I haven't gone down yet.
Wait, I'm gonna go down my tennis.
I don't care, I want to go down.
Matt, let him go. He hasn't gone yet. You've gone a bunch of times. That's nice.
And you just freaking drag
Get
your
your
feet the
feet
whole
up.
time, you dumbass.
You jagaloon.
You goober. Ow!
Sorry, I told you to move.
Wait till I die. Drew, let me go, I haven't gone yet.
Stop! Don't touch me.
Yeah, you haven't gone right yet.
Come on, big time.
Over there. Give me a tube.
Okay, hold on. Bring it over here.
Ow! That's what you get, bastard.
Jared,
What?
don't push people into that.
I didn't even push him.
Get out of the way. Move again.
Don't push people.
Oh, give me it. Give me it. Oh my God, Drew. Can I please go next?
Next time we're not inviting him.
I didn't give him the root beer. Yeah.
At first I thought it was a cat, and I was like,
What are they doing? E-Jack going hard. B-man. Matt, let me get that one.
Ow! Hit my knee.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me get this. Come on, I haven't gone yet.
Matt has yours.
Go,
Calm down.
Jared, move that. Move the steps over to the middle of the thing.
I mean,
Over here.
like, stop.
Oh, who's that?
Mike.
Mike!
Alright. Get up, you idiot.
Come on now, cut it out.
Thought I had it. Yeah, well you didn't, alright?
Yeah, my friend John thought he was gonna fight, and then he crapped his pants.
Come on.
He claimed he had it. He's on beast mode.
Go.
Alright, hold
I'm
this.
just gonna hold it.
Cameraman.
I'm the cameraman.
No, you're not.
I wanna go on my stomach.
Hurry up, put it around.
Sit on it. Someone's gotta hold the other side for him. Keep your feet up! You didn't even push me! This sucks. Go.
It's actually
go.
pretty good for someone that didn't even get pushed. Knock that thing down right there.
I wanna go knock that down.
That wall.
Jack, hold it. I wasn't even ready. You're going to make
Alright, can I shut this off?
Buddy. Place it on the windowsill. It's still thin.
Yeah, hold it.
My hands are kind of wet.
Hold the thing for him. You got this, Matt?
Yeah, I need someone to hold it for me. And then I go back. Uh-oh. You're gonna even hit the side of
Yeah, Jared,
Weinberg's
hold
nose.
Quit giggling, Weinberg!
Ready?
My turn. Quit giggling, Weinberg. Where's Clock? There he is.
Quit talking dirty.
Throw football.
Where's Mossy? Oh, sushi egg roll.
There's Mossy trying to catch
I'm a
football.
karate kid.
Oh, sushi egg roll. I'm karate kid.
I have fortune cookie. It says I know catch ball.
Yeah, I
One,
won.
two.
Don't hit me, please. Don't hit me.
Oh, look, he takes his hand off. You can't take your hand off, bro.
Yeah, bro. Oh, sushi egg roll.
We gotta get this thing fixed.
Oh, sushi egg
We gotta get it bigger.
Huh?
It needs to be
Oh, we
bigger.
need 2 guys to hold it for Drew. Maybe 3.
Maybe 3.
Oh, sushi egg roll. I karate kid. I get fortune cookie. Me no catch ball.
Chickens. You fat black chicken.
Hold it away. I got you.
Well, he's fixing it.
Jack's gonna hold it.
Jack.
Wait, can I get on yet? No.
Jack.
Wait,
Hold it for him, Jared.
Jack's. Alright. Jack, hold it tight. Oh no.
I got all my strength on this right now.
You ain't going nowhere.
Ah!
Oh, dear Lord. Drew got a good one.
Big Brett got the worst of that.
Hey, look, Dad. Look what Drew got.
No, Mike Coleman made that.
Yeah, I know.
Ready, let's go.
Good work, Mike. Really? Yeah. On what?
What's the new one? Should have given Big Man old one.
Yeah, how come Drew got the new one?
Someone's gotta push me.
Joe, you can go down if you want. Allison.
Ah!
You guys can go down.
Oh, shoot the egg roll! Shoot the egg roll!
Allison pull out a pie.
Get out of the way.
I want to go down again.
I need help. Drew, hold it.
Chicken, you fat boy.
Don't make me laugh.
Piece of shit.
Quit giggling, Weinberg!
Hold on, no. I'm sliding back. Give me a good push.
Give me a good push, give me a good push.
That sucks.
His foot hit the ground. So you can see where his feet hit. Quit giggling, Weinberg.
Chicken.